Hey class, welcome to the week 3 meeting tutorial. Just want to go over a few things, show you a few things visually, and hopefully explain some things to help out. I know there's some discrepancies that we have as professors been trying to get corrected, and they're not. And there's certain things that are, and it's only one thing in this one. So when you do your meetings, you're going to record them. Okay, so one person's going to record. How you upload it is what's best for you. The easiest route is to record it to the cloud and do the password thing, um, because sometimes files get too large and you can't upload it. Um, but if you're comfortable doing it or it allows you to, that's fine. I would prefer that you do the cloud recording on Zoom. And don't forget to put the password in there. When you do post attendance for the group, I'll show you that in a second. I only have instructor view, not student view, on posting the attendance. But here in the directions, point out one thing. Now, your weekly discussions when you meet are going to be in the directions on what you should do. This week, it says ERA assignment. That's the evaluate research article. You're not doing that till week 5. So we've been trying to get this changed for a while. It should say that you should go over your written responses. So try to prepare by reviewing what's on your written responses, or if you have your written responses completed by then, or if you can go over the concepts and read them and come into engaging in a conversation. You'll choose, again, 5 out of the 9 to write on. That's due Saturday, but you can discuss any of them. Okay, so maybe there's something that nobody answered, like, hey, which 5 are you selecting? Well, let's look at number 8. Nobody touched on that one. Let's talk about that. That's fine. However you want to do it, but use your written responses. Okay, ERA assignment is in week 5. All right. I do not attend the meetings, but it's your time. And I do watch the recordings because some students will actually, like, later on get comfortable thinking I don't watch them. And one time I caught a group of 5 students just talking about the weekend and how I don't watch these videos. So please be careful. All right. I do peek in and watch them. So be prepared for that. Again, you're not doing the evaluate research article assignment, or you're not discussing it or beginning it yet. That is a typo. All right. Um, Now, if you happen to miss your meeting, please let me know ahead of time if you can. The goal is to not miss them. You can miss up to, I believe, 3 to receive partial credit. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about that. All right, and make sure that you are reading these directions, because um, watching tutorials does not replace the reading of directions. So make sure you're going through this pretty thorough. Okay. So I don't have student view, but it should be kind of similar to this. When you get to this point where you're in your group uh, forum area, you want to make sure that you look on this left-hand side, like announcements you could use to, like, make an announcement to the group, but typically, um, like a meeting time if you want, but typically it's, you want to go to discussion. Okay, this is where you'll post your attendance. So as you see here, there's week 3, week 4 is right here. I don't know why week 5 is right here, but sometimes it'll be out of order. Here's a study group board. You can post in there. It's preferred that you go to the actual forum to post, like, that week. So since we're in week 3, and let's say I'm in Wednesday evenings, I would click on that, and then I'd reply. I would say, in attendance this week, and then I would list names: John, you know, Kevin, James, Robert. Just say we all met in a group, and then you would post your video, you know, recording link here, and then you would post it right there. And this is the best way to do it. to actually post, and you just click post reply. And that way, when I look at it, I can say, okay, these are the people in it. I'll click on a link and verify if people are there. And sometimes, like if a group member doesn't show up, but their name's there, no credit, so it's got to match. Okay. If you happen to mess up the recording, just let me know. Send me an email. All right. So this is probably the best way to do it. Again, you would click on discussion on your left-hand side and find a week. So for week 8, I'd click on week 8 and post it. It keeps it nice and organized. Otherwise, if I can't find it because you're communicating all over the place, then it's a 0 until someone shows me where it's at. And that's happened before. So try to keep it clean, okay? Let me know if you have questions.